Hi, and welcome back to another Joy of Painting. Today, we're going to be painting a happy little mountain scene, so grab your paints and come along join me. First, we're going to start off with some blue, just plain old phthalo blue, and slap it right up here in the sky. Get a little more blue, put it down at the bottom for some water, grab the tiniest bit of yellow, and just put it right in the middle. We're going to add some happy little mountains into this, so just add some blue, black, a little bit of brown, mix it together, and just go wherever you want, maybe right here, and just put in a happy little mountain. Grab some titanium white, and we're just gonna put it right on this side of the mountain. We're gonna make the shadows of the mountain. There's some grass on these mountains, so let's just grab some green, some yellow, maybe some yellow ochre on that brush. Mix it all together on the brush and just start from this side and start tapping right on up that mountain. Maybe there's some trees living right up here, so let's just add those in. I think that another big old mountain lives right on top of this one, so let's just go maybe right up here, goes down a little bit, and just right up there. Grab a little bit and just go right down the mountain with that. It's gonna be a rocky old mountain. Grab that brush that we used for the grass on the other mountain, and we're just gonna put some grass on this one. Get some of that color with the fan brush, and make some happy little trees going all the way across this. I think that a big old tree is gonna live right around here. So let's just put that right in and put on his branches wherever we think they belong. Seems a little lonely, so let's add one on the other side. Just tap him right in. Now, I think that we're looking at a finished painting. So from all of us here, I'd like to say happy painting and God bless.